What's going on, guys? It's ZDB Shoes here, and today I have a bit of a different video for you guys. So I went to Home Depot recently and picked up a shelf that I'm going to use to make like a Hypbeast Supreme shelf to put a bunch of accessories and a few other things on, because I realized that I'm getting a big accumulation of Supreme items and kind of other Hypebeast stuff. So I want a shelf for it for easy access to show off stuff like that. Plus, I don't really have any other areas where I can display my shoes or accessories or anything like that. So I figured I would start in kind of like a collection where I have a bunch of shelves and things like that, so I can show stuff off, take pictures, put them in my videos. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit of a different video, but let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright, so here is the shelf right here. It is 3 feet long, and I'm just going to be hanging it up on this wall right here. Okay guys, so far I've got this thing. It's called a drilling template. I'm supposed to put it on the wall, make sure I have the area where I want the shelf to go, and then basically just put the level on there, make sure that it's level, mark the drilling locations, and then go from there. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I very intelligently started this project without having the correct tools to do it. So I actually had to run to Home Depot and rent a drill and buy a stud finder, as well as a battery for the stud finder and some drill bits, because they wouldn't let me rent drill bits. But anyway, now I have all the stuff that I need to do this, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm realizing during editing that during the part of me actually building the shelf where I'm speeding up and basically showing you the process of what I did to build the shelf, that I didn't actually show myself drilling the holes because the camera went off and I didn't restart until a little later. So I guess just imagine me drilling the holes. There's not much to it. I drilled a couple holes and put a couple screws in there to some drywall anchors, so the metal piece that holds the shelf up could stay there and hold the shelf. So I do have footage of me actually putting the shelf up on there. So yeah guys. Okay guys, after a lot of trial and tribulation, I think I'm ready to actually put the shelf on there. This is the first time I've ever done this, so a lot of things have gone wrong, but I think it's ready to go. So let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so here's a little bit better view of it. I got it pretty flush, not all the way. I got it about eye level to where it's not too hard to reach in and grab something. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Looks pretty level, so yeah. Just to show you guys here that I got it near about perfectly level. So now that the shelf's put together, I actually need to put some stuff on it, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you guys after. Okay guys, so I think I've got a good bit of stuff up here on the shelf. So it's all Supreme except for one vape item, and I'll go through it. Starting on the right side, we've got the Supreme running waist bag in front of the vape camo shoulder, waist bag, whatever it is, used. I got that out of a Blazendary Hypebeast mystery box. And then right here is Supreme paddle set that just came out a couple of weeks ago here in fall winter 19. Then I've got the Supreme Pyrex, and it's basically filled with some smaller items. I've got the post-it notes, 2 of those, and then 3 of the mini Army Men, as well as the Spring Summer 19 fishing lures, one of those that came out just for decoration, Supreme box logo sticker, and then the mini keychain light red box logo one that came out I think last week or 2 weeks ago. But anyway, there's the shelf in its entirety, guys. I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. It's pretty level. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before, so feeling pretty accomplished right now. And yeah, it turns out that I had just enough stuff to go up there on that shelf and make it look full, and also make not look too full. But anyway, guys, I'll show you some B-roll of this in a second. Other than that, I'll be coming at you with some more videos soon.